You're not alone, together we're strong.
Let's talk about realistic expectations for treatment duration at respected integrative holistic facilities, both in Mexico and Arizona. At a top facility in Mexico, treatment is inpatient and typically lasts between 9 and 16 days, about a week and a half to 2.5 weeks. During this time, daily treatments are provided. After completing the initial phase, patients return home with personalized at-home protocols to follow. It's generally recommended for most patients to return for an additional week or two of follow-up care after about 2 to 3 months. In contrast, treatment in Arizona is outpatient-based, typically Monday through Saturday, 6 days a week. While the minimum suggested stay is 3 weeks, many stage 3 or 4 cancer patients benefit more from around 6 weeks of treatment depending on their needs and response. Choosing integrative holistic care does not mean abandoning conventional medicine. These centers work with you, and if you choose your existing medical team, to create a customized, science-backed treatment plan focused on restoring your health and hope. Treatments are designed to detoxify the body, strengthen and regulate the immune system, support apoptosis or natural cancer cell death. You can find examples of these therapies at findhelpforcancer.com. But remember, no two patients are the same. Your actual treatment plan will be tailored specifically for you by the doctor. We know this is a big decision. It all starts with a simple conversation. We'll walk you through treatment options, expected timelines, costs, and answer all your questions. We can often arrange care quickly, especially if you're in urgent need. This is not a miracle cure. It's not one size fits all, but it is a thoughtful, well-researched approach that's helping thousands of people reclaim their health and their hope. Visit findhelpforcancer.com to learn more, or call us directly at 928-546-5963 for quicker assistance. And if this was helpful, please like, subscribe, and share. It helps us reach more people who are searching for answers. Thank you for watching, and take care. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you're in the need of integrative and holistic treatments for you or your family member, please feel free to reach out to us at findhelpforcancer.com. We'll start with a simple conversation and help point you in the right direction. Happy to help.